but I don't hear any delays on the stream, so I think it's working perfectly. Just had to lower the music a little bit there so that you can hear my voice as well. All right, now it seems like there's a slight delay in the audio, but it's like 2-3 seconds delay, but it's fine. In the audio, but it's all right. So let's get into it. We're gonna stream. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's see. All right. So we live. So we're gonna go to the charts right about now. Have a look at the charts. This was Friday's analysis, guys. What you're seeing now is in the chart. It is Friday's analysis, and let me just put my phone on silent so that we don't get disturbed with these notifications. All right, so let's see. This, like I said, this is Friday analysis, guys. So we're gonna take that off. We're going to remove all drawings, and then we're gonna analyze for today. But this is gold, so we're not gonna trade gold. We are trading, like I said, we'll be trading GJ and Nasdaq. Let's go. GJ, GBP, JPY. Trading GBP, JPY, and I just chose I hope it's the right one. And I think it's this one. It's fine. And Nas100. Yeah, there we go. I think this is a different broker. Let's take that GJ off and let's go to this one. Yeah, let's do that GJ. Nas FX. Yeah, it's the same. Got that one in as well. So let's do GJ. Let's analyze GJ over here. Analyze GJ over here. So GJ coming down. Let's see on the weekly. Let's see what long-term trend GJ has here for us. This is not looking too good. It's coming down here. It's coming down. So it looks like it's selling at the moment. This is the monthly, guys. If you are wondering, this is the monthly. So it looks like it's coming down. Looks like it's coming down on the monthly and the weekly. Yeah, 3 weeks in a row. It's closed bearish. So looks like it's coming down, but you can see that we're still in an upward movement over here. Long term, still moving up. As you can see, it's just, this can be a correction to go higher. So this can be something like this, coming down, touching that 50 EMA and moving higher. So you can see that. So for the week, I'm still looking at GJ coming down. That's my weekly bias on GJ. We can still head down for the week, and we can still even consolidate, but we'll see more bearish candles for the week. That's my weekly bias, guys. This is Friday's candle, so we're gonna go ahead and mark up this one over here. Let's just zoom in a little bit more. Get those weeks in perfectly there, and over here get it in perfectly like that, and then we're gonna mark up our chart, and this is what we do every single day. We mark up our charts for those entries, looking for those entries. See, it's already passed down there, but it looks like it's heading up, but we're gonna mark a low again. It's low there. We're gonna go ahead and mark this low over here. Go ahead and mark that low over there. Right, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this. It's a caution zone over there. Just when the price comes there, just be cautious. Just be cautious about that zone. Obviously, that would be in the range there. I think, yeah, that's it. Just that, and then just draw that over there. Oh no, man. Come on. I know you guys are even hearing my mouse click here. It's not too irritating. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna go down to our 15-minute. See what price is doing there. So you can see price bounced off that caution zone already. That's our 50 EMA. So you can see this happening. Price going up even to our 50, but we're targeting this zone. And then price heading down. So what we want to basically see on GJ, what we want to see on GJ is we want to see this happening, price breaking out of the zone but coming back. So we want to see on our 1 hour, we want to see our 1 hour candle go above this red line, which is the sell line, go above that, and then but it shouldn't close above there, it should close at the bottom, and then we can check our sales on GJ like that. So that is what we're looking for before we take any sales on GJ. And then I forgot to do something. Let me just do it real quick. So these lines at the top here, that's our buy zones. So that's our buy zones. when price comes to the 50 level, that is when we wait, because there's like a range. I call it a range. And then then we got our sales at the bottom over here, got our sales over there. So yeah, that's what we're looking at on GJ. Moving on to Nasdaq. Let's see what Nasdaq is giving us over here. So we're gonna remove these drawings and we're gonna go to our monthly. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. This almost exactly the same thing as what GJ is doing. As you can see, we've got that monthly candle coming back down, so that sells there. And yeah, we can see 1-2 weeks in a row we've been ending bearish, especially last week. Last week was a bearish week for Nasdaq. And then if we go to our daily, it's adding up, but this is a new day. This is a new week. Starting on Monday, this is a new week. Trying to correct all of this like liquidity or this over here, trying to correct that, going into that, tapping into that. But for me, we can see another bearish week here. You can see it on the daily, it just bounced off the 50 EMA over there, so we can still see overall movement. So we need to break that 50 EMA for us to see it coming all the way down and testing our 200 EMA over there. So we can still see a bearish week this week on Nasdaq. So we're gonna mark up our chart as we usually do. Let me just zoom in a little bit more over there as well, so that we can mark it up real good. So there we go, and there we in there. Alright, so let's go and mark up the chart like that. We can see that price is currently in that range that I spoke to you about earlier on GJ. Price is in that range. Price breaks out of that range, we will have a trade either to the upside or to the downside, but we're more favoring the bearish movement than the upside movement. So you can see price already bounced off that buy zone that we have marked there, and also right on top over here. So we can see that price already bounced off there, and it is currently in a range. It is currently trading in that no trading zone that we will mark up soon as a no trading zone. And let's see what it does. So we're just gonna mark up those zones, gonna take out that, and we're gonna have a look at our 15-minute time frame to see what it is doing at the moment. You can see it is in that range, guys. It is definitely in that range. Let's go back to daily. That's just so we can mark up that range. We're gonna mark up this range here. Let's do that. That is definitely our no trading range. There are no trades. I'm gonna go down to our 50-minute, and we can clearly see on our 50-minute that price is in that no trading range. So one or two things can happen, guys. We can see price go to the upside, close above there. We're gonna take the trade and we're gonna take profit over here, and if price breaks through here, then obviously take the sell. But as you can see at the moment, we're looking more likely to buy Nasdaq than to sell it, because it is close to that buy zone that we have over there. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna leave you guys for a minute. Let's see what it does. Hey, you're welcome in, welcome in. If you're here, just hit me up on the chat. Just say hello and please like the stream. Just waiting for Nasdaq to do its thing. We see Nasdaq is almost at the buy level over here. We'll be streaming London session every single day, starting at 10 a.m. until about 12 p.m. So if you're here for the very first time, please like the channel, like the stream, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be dropping gems on this channel in the live streams especially. So we've got Nasdaq over here, still trying to break through this zone, and then we've got GJ that we're trading as well. And on GJ, still also trying to, what we want to see happen is we want to see a candlestick on the 1 hour candlestick. We want to see it break through this zone but not close above the zone, so it needs to break through, come back down, and then we take a sell on GJ. So GJ's bias for the week is a sell. We're looking at sales for this week on GJ as well as on Nasdaq. So that is what we're looking at. So we will be taking the buy if it breaks through, but it's not going to be very long term, and it's against our bias basically for the week. But we're looking at a more strong push to the downside over here. Is to break this, probably get a retest, but we don't do retest trading. We just want it to break below this level, close below this level, and then we're gonna take a sell to the downside. And that's gonna be our target. Is gonna be about over here. It's gonna be our target on Nasdaq. Yes, that's gonna be our target on Nasdaq. So I hope you guys are ready to take trades with me live here on my channel. So make sure you go ahead and you like the stream, and also just subscribe to the channel. That will be a lot. That will mean a lot to me, as I'm just trying to grow this channel and just trying to give you value on the stream. So go ahead and do that. Much appreciated. And also another thing, if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and ask any questions that you want. Alright, we're looking at Nasdaq still at GJ, so looking at taking sales on both of them, but at the moment you can see Nasdaq is close to our buying zone than it is to the selling zone, because the weekly buyers on Nasdaq is bearish at the moment, and also on GJ weekly buyers is bearish. On GJ there's another scenario that we're looking at. We're looking at price to break above this line over here, which is a zone. It needs to break above that and then close below that line, which is a zone, on the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame, so we need to see price go up, break that line, but then close below that line, and then we're gonna take a sell, and we take a sell on based on that parameters. Our target will be not this zone. Probably if it comes to that zone, we will probably just move our stops to break even, but our target is down below over here. That will be our target, that will be our take profit, and obviously stop loss will be above that zone over there, which is a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. But as I said, when price comes to this level, that's when we will just come to break even over there and look to secure our positions. So that is what we're looking at on GJ. And then going forward and looking at Nasdaq, what it is that we want to see price actually do this. This is the ideal scenario that we want to see on Nasdaq. We want to see price break through this zone and then come all the way down over there. If we can see price break through that zone, if we see price break through the zone over here, then we're gonna take sales over there. This will be our target right there, and obviously take profit. Stop loss will be just above that level over there, and take profit will be there. That gives us a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. If we see a buy happening, we see price break above this level, we're gonna take buys, and our target will be up here over here. That will be our target, and take profit or stop loss will be just below that level. That gives us a 1:2 as well. So it can go either way. So we're looking at either scenario, different scenarios that price can do at this moment. So that is what we're looking at from a perspective of Nasdaq and GJ at the moment. So if you have any questions, please do ask in the chat, and also please go ahead and like this stream, and also just subscribe onto the channel, because we will be doing this on a daily basis, where we will be trading London session live, and obviously New York session we will also be trading it, but we won't be trading it live. We'll be trading it as a group on my mentorship. So that's what we're gonna do. So London session is gonna be like a free educational segment, and then obviously mentorship will be for those that is in my mentorship group, and also for those that I reached out to just talk about the prop firm plan that I have, the prop firm opportunity that I have for them, so that they can also be part of the mentorship. So yes, we will be trading New York and London session. London session we will be trading live here on YouTube, and New York session we will I'll only be sending really like signals in the group, and obviously guiding you through those signals as it goes in the New York session. New York session starts at 2 p.m. if you're not aware of that, and we will be starting the stream every single day, Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. in the morning. But I will notify you guys whether we will be going live days. If we don't go live in the London session, we will definitely I'll definitely compensate to go live in the New York session. So every day we will be live. And that is our two scenarios we're waiting for. And looks like Nasdaq is more moving to the upside than it is to the downside. But if you know trading, anything can happen at any time. So the good thing today is there is no fundamentals. As you can see over there, no fundamentals at all. So that's the good thing about, not really a good thing, because fundamentals also means that movement and volatility in the market. So it's not always a good thing, but what I can say is yes, we'll be trading. We will be trading technicals today. We can have a little bit of news as well and see what's happening. The news over here. So this is FX Street, guys. It's free. You get it paid and you get the free one. That's AUD pound sterling. So you can read a little bit about pound sterling as well. Pound remains on edges. Poor UK retail sales boost. BOE rate cut bets. So we can still see a not so good pound, and that is one of the reasons why we see GJ selling, or one of the reasons why we have that bias, because fundamentally we can see over here that GBP, which is the sterling, is not doing as good, and that's why we are looking for sales on GJ, which is British pound and Japanese yen. So you can see that over there. I basically just read the titles, because the headline, because it gives so much to it, and then if you read over here, it just gives you some details, and it mainly speaks about the GBP USD pair. As you can see, it shows you levels 1.93, 1.2930. So those are the levels of, and then obviously here you can see Japanese yen. It's up 0.28%. The stable was given when it doesn't give the, but this news came out just before 11:59, 10:59, for 10:57, just before 11 o'clock. And there you can see that British GBP USD is trading above that support. So it's trading above that support, broke out of that support, came back down, and it can move to the upside, but we are looking for sales, as I mentioned. So yeah, still waiting over here, still waiting. Right, we're still waiting here for Nasdaq or GJ to give us what we want, give us our setup. We're still waiting over here. As you can see, it's still in between our setups, trading there for a while now. So we're still waiting. This is what trading is about, guys. It's about patience, waiting for price to come to your area to give you the setup needed. That is what trading is all about, patience. So we're still waiting over here. If you are in the stream, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also just give this stream a like. It will help us a lot. If you can do that, just like the stream and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Make sure you do that. We will be here every single day at 10 a.m. London session, and then with the New York session, we will be trading in the mentorship. So, if you want to be part of that, just WhatsApp me, or I'll leave my details. If you want, you can comment on this stream once it's done. You can comment on the stream if you want to be part of the mentorship, or you can just hit me up with a live chat now. But yeah, this is what we're still waiting for. Still waiting for price to do its thing over here, and also on GJ for price to do its thing. You can see it's trading to the downside now, and when it breaks this level, we're not gonna do anything, guys. We want it to come back up, break this level over here, but close below. That's what we're waiting for. So when it breaks over here, it won't be a missed move, but it will be a potential move that we could have taken if it gave us our criteria. So, but if it trades all the way down, we're gonna see what it does here at the bottom. And I don't think it's gonna happen in the stream though. So if it breaks down, we're just gonna leave it. We're not gonna trade GJ for today. We'll get back at it tomorrow. That would be the same for Nasdaq. If it just ranges around here, we trade those. In the New York session, we trade gold and USD, and then in the London session, we look at GJ and Nasdaq. That's what we're doing at the moment. Right, looks like we're gonna have a trade on Nasdaq. Let's get our buys ready. Let's get our buys ready for Nasdaq. Let's get our buys ready for Nasdaq, guys. 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio. In the next minute, we'll know if we got a buy or not. That our entry price will be 19,699, stop loss 19,654. Put it in here, but don't enter yet, guys. Don't enter yet. Still don't enter yet. Let's see if we do it. 19,654.08, and TP will be 19,822.86. But like I said, let's not enter yet. Okay, that's not an entry, guys. We need to wait at least another 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna enter on the 5-minute time frame. So let's just wait. It's not a clear break for me. We need to wait. But the parameters will remain the same, guys. TP and stop loss remains the same. Entry price might just change depending on where we close in 5 minutes on Nasdaq. British pound still ranging, kinda in the range on GJ and Nasdaq. See Nasdaq. We're gonna enter in 5 minutes, guys. So if that 5-minute candle is too far from us, then it's kind of pointless of entering. Or I think we're gonna enter the break of that highs. Breaks above this line, then we will enter. Looks like it's breaking above the. Let's see. A break above here, then we'll enter. See a nice break above those highs. It's already taken out the high over there, but we needed to break above this line.
It's one of our friends that used to play with us. You know.
So we gotta enter, guys. Enter buys on Nasdaq. We've entered. We're in the market. We've entered. But this is kind of a risky trade because weekly buys. So we're gonna have to change our entry point So just change it according to your entry point, guys. My entry point on Nasdaq is 19698. That's my entry point, 19698.24. That's my entry point, guys. Obviously, stop loss and take profit will be what I call out, so that actually my entry is probably above their spread, so let's not forget spread plays a role. Spread is involved over there, so entry will be above there somewhere, but I am in this trade. That will be my entry, and exit be somewhere there. So you're just taking into account spread as well, guys. So it's still a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. It is kind of an aggressive entry, very risky entry. If we close above here in the next seconds, then the trade will be valid. Yes, we are in the trade and looks like it's going into our direction. We're still a bit a drawdown there. So in a drawdown. Must be somewhere over here. It needs to go high, man. Yeah, spread plays an important role over here, so it's not quite, we're not quite in profit yet. I don't know if you can indicate spread over here. How does this work? Yeah, no, it's waiting for it to go our way, guys. But yeah, finally, this is our first stream really, and we called a trade on stream. Hopefully it goes our way so that we can update the stream results. Yeah, so at least 5 minutes giving us indication it closed above there. So it's fine. We are in this trade already. At least a 5 minute confirmed entry. So I would either enter on 5 minutes or 15 minutes normally with this strategy. So 5 minutes is giving us that entry point. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll be on stream for another 15-20 minutes. I'll still be around for another 15 to 20 minutes, but I will update you guys of how it went. I'll make a video to show you how the trade went. I can see a rejection now. A little bit of rejection. So we are going against the bias and also going against the overall, I won't say it's the overall trend, but you could see on daily. Let's have a look. You can see on the daily, it's been around 3 days in the week. I think 4 days last week, you can see. But the reason also why I'm still buying, you can see over here, there was a retracement, and you can probably see the same today, a retracement. So price might go up, but we don't have a bottom week, so it is kind of risky as well taking the trade. We don't have a bottom week on the daily, so yeah, that's the risk as well on daily. 5 minutes, got a big 5 minute candle there, bearish candle, small top wick on the 5 minutes. wanna eat something.
Just one half.
Right, ladies and gents, this brings me to the end of the stream. I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna make a video as to how the trade went, but I'm gonna have to end the stream here for today. I'll get you guys tomorrow morning again, 10 a.m. and we will be trading the London session again. Another thing is, you want to be part of the mentorship, make sure you WhatsApp me. I'll leave my details on the video that I'm gonna drop later today. I'll leave my details over there, and you can catch me tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. London session, and we will be trading New York session, but not live on YouTube. But I always trade New York sessions. So if you want to have all the trades, make sure you look out for the video that I'll be dropping later today. So with saying that, take care. Let's see how this trade plays out. First trade of the stream. Let's see how it goes.